requirements, which should be relevant and specific. And kinikilala po natin dito sa korte na yung subpoena is an important tool na available po dito sa impeachment court in the search for truth. Pero kinikilala din po natin na ang mga records na ating hinihingi ay may tinatawag na statutory protection under our laws. Now in this regard, Your Honor, bago po ninyo hiniling ang compulsory production ng mga confidential records na ito, may we know what led the prosecution to conclude that the issuance of subpoena is the least intrusive and most appropriate means of obtaining the information sought? In other words, Your Honor, paano po ninyo masasabi na itong subpoena is not only relevant but also necessary and proportionate under these circumstances?
Ang subpoena po ang tanging paraan para makuha ng nitong hukuman ang mga kinakailangan po natin na datos at impormasyon at dokumento. At hindi naman po siya intrusive dahil tulad na nabanggit ko po kanina, ay hindi pa naman ito question ng admissibility. Ang kailangan lang ay ma-produce sa korte yung mga dokumentong hinihingi. The issue of admissibility will come later and the defense will have sufficient opportunity to object and to oppose. Ngayon po, as far as the particular records that we are requesting are concerned, ito ay nakabatay nga sa nabanggit ko pong desisyon ng Supreme Court na pag tinitingnan natin ang issue ng unexplained wealth, hindi lang po pwedeng snapshot ang titingnan natin. Kailangan mula sa unang araw ng paglingkod ng isang lingkod bayan, yung kanyang final na salin, lahat ng mga kinita niya, ay makita natin. And that will be shown both by the bank records that we are requesting to be produced, as well as the BIR and tax records that we are requesting.
Thank you very much.